Alright, Jake Phelps here, and I'm just doing a real quick video on this. A lot of people, you see their snowboards against the walls, you see them all over the place, they take up space, and you know, it's nice to have a snowboard. This really isn't a snowboard that I use. I always rent one when I go snowboarding just because it's easier, and I mean, they have pretty good snowboards. I know it's not perfect for me, but you know, I'm not like I don't go 80 million times a year, so I always rent one when I go. But I did buy one a while ago, and this is what I did. And this is, if you are an avid snowboarder, like, I highly recommend doing this cool little trick because it's space saving and it's pretty cool too. Because your snowboard, it sits, you know, people generally will put them in their closet for, you know, or wherever. They just take up space a majority of the year, if you ask me. And this snowboard though, even though, you know, I don't use it for real snowboarding. Sometimes when it snows around here, you know, I'm on the I'm like mid-east coast, so I'll take this thing down some hills and just mess around with it. You know, it's nice. It's nice to have just for, you know, playing around on, and it's cool, especially with this cool little storage thing that I invented. It's okay. Here it is. Here's a snowboard. It's just like this. This thing's ready to go. It's not even attached. All right. All I did. It's so simple. You know, I just figured out, you know, where these 2x4s need to sit, okay? And all I did is I just attached them to the wall. I mean, the way I did it is I just put, you know, I just pre-drilled the top. Yeah, well, I pre-drilled the top and bottom, you know, the correct way that you're supposed to sink 45-degree screws in, and that's all it is. They're 3-inch screws, and I did the same thing over here. And I mean, and I made sure when I leveled it that I leveled it. I mean, I kind of do this with everything I do, just because of time things settle. But I leveled it a little bit this way, you know, a little bit askew from, you know, perfect level, just so that just slightly, just, you know, when I put the torpedo level on there, like the bubble was just slightly showing me that it was going this way, just the tiniest bit. And it's nice, you know, the snowboard's not affected, you know, it works great. This thing will hold all kinds of weight. I mean, I could put some real weight on that. And I mean, if you don't want to, you know, there's a lot of different ways you could secure these 2x4s to the wall. Just make them, you know, like a length like this or whatever. I got them just slightly shorter than the snowboard will go against the wall. And I don't know, it's just a pretty neat concept. You know, I came up with it. I've never seen it, and it works quite well. So, you know, thank you for watching, and
don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.